Hey, what's up guys? I am EVTech TV and today we have a very special video for you, which is the unboxing of Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's go and check it out. So this is it guys, this is here the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Without any further delay, let's go and unbox this new Galaxy S22 Ultra. The phone comes in a very large box compared to the actual Galaxy S22 Ultra. It says Samsung Everyday Epic Start Here branding. And these are some paperwork, we can keep it aside. And this is the box of Galaxy S22 Ultra guys. All in all black color, if you see. It shows the ROM, the storage of the phone, the RAM and the color of the phone, and the place where it is made, built in. Let's cut it open and see what the phone looks like. This is massive guys. See the phone. This is all black in color. This is the phantom black color. They have 4 or 5 different colors. One is the burgundy one, which is kind of look like new color for this year, and there is one green color, greenish color, and one is phantom white, and this one which I have purchased is phantom black. This is the 12 gig 256 combination model. On the down you have the speaker, the USB-C charge, the SIM tray. The S Pen, yes, those who have missed the S Pen from the last year version can now enjoy this Galaxy S22 Ultra. And on the right side you have power button and volume rocker. So this is it guys. This is the first unboxing of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So I'll be using this S22 Ultra for couple of weeks, and I will post a new video which will give you all the insight about the S22 Ultra and how it stands up to the Pixel 6 Pro, the iPhone 13 Pro and others. Hope you have subscribed to the channel. If you have not done it, that would be a noteworthy, and the button is right on the right side of your screen, just beside the like button. Till then, stay safe, stay home. See you in the next one. Bye bye.